Hi, I am Marloes Sikkema from the Netherlands, and I am the designer of the Zenith Purpose Anatomy toolkit. So when are we talking about purpose really? Well, as you can imagine, there are many reasons. A merger, for instance, is a very important example. When you have two companies that are quite different and they have to merge, you do want the people to come together and to feel some kind of commitment and togetherness. But also in the area of coaching, purpose is a very valuable tool. But in general, I've made a division in three main categories. And those categories are enterprise design, external validity, and employee direction. So enterprise design is all about, maybe you have heard about the lean concept. You know, how can you create your company in such a way that it delivers your promise and that it fulfills its purpose? External validity is all about, branding, but also about the connection between you and the outside world. So for most companies, you are making something that is helping someone else. So there is a connection between their purpose and your own. So you are helping other people achieve their purpose. So external validity really means, what is your raison d'être? Why do you exist and what is your value for others? Then the final one is employee direction. And this is also a key part of purpose, because this is all about the people at your company. Are they happy working there? Are they getting energy from their job? Are they clicking with their co-workers? Do they see a long-term connection between the employer and the employee? And what about teams? How can we create a high-performance team, for instance? And how can the high-performance team understand what their client wants and needs and what the purpose of the client is? In all these kinds of areas, purpose is, the compass. It's the dot on the horizon that everyone can focus on. So it helps also in where people are working together. It helps a lot that you can have a common goal to work towards. And this also really helps in creating a common language to get to agreements. So again, this is all about decision making. And if you want to have some more information, we would love to see you at the Traction Toolbox website, which is TractionToolbox.ca. And right there, you can also visit the web shop for the box. And we also have the online tool where you can use Zenith on a distance with other people, but you can also use it for bigger groups. So we would love to see you there. Thank you very much.